Hello everyone, I am Sulatna. I actually came to Dr. Chakrabarty's clinic because I was having a problem with my previous implant, which I had done 2 years back. So this was done in a reputed place in India only, and I had gone for the conventional implant. And the problem was the tooth which I had, which was put there, it was actually coming out and it was creating a problem for me. So Kolkata is my hometown and I was visiting my hometown, and the same problem happened when I was here. So I checked for the best implant clinics around, near to me, and I happened to find their clinic on the Google. So I came here and I met both the doctors in the clinic, and they were very supportive and helpful, and they explained the whole new procedure of implant, which is known as the basal bone cortical implant. And my previous experience about the implant was it's a lengthy process that that part of that gum will be cut and there will be an implant. So I said, they said that it's better, one more implant needs to be done. So I was scared that I was here for another 3-4 days, so how will the whole process be done? But they assured me that with this I can actually, the whole process can be completed within 2 to 3 days, and also without any surgery, without any cuts or without any blood coming out from that portion of the gum. And that was very, very surprising also for me, and was also very encouraging because I wanted a teeth to be there, because without that I was having problem with that exposed implant. There was a swelling in the gum, there was a pain in the gum, and I was not able to take too much of a cold thing or too much of a hot thing, because there was a sensation in that part of the gum. So accordingly, the next good thing that they did for me was Tuesday was a holiday for them, but still they opened the clinic for me to accommodate my request, and the whole process was done. While doing it, Dr. Sanket actually explained to me step by step what is actually happening, and also while taking the implants, the impressions, he showed me why is he taking so many impressions. So I really love the process, where it was a more transparent process than the previous one. So and I was like, every step was explained to me, and the kind of care they took during the whole process was really impeccable. And today I'm here, so this is basically the third visit to their clinic, and my teeth is already there, and I'm really happy that I'm going back tomorrow to my workplace, but with teeth back in my gum, which I didn't really expect while stepping into their clinic. Thank you so much for helping me out in getting a new teeth.
How much time it took, ma'am, for the implant?
For yesterday, I think the whole process was about from the putting the implant till taking the impression was about 2 hours, and today also about an hour. The whole thing was done.
So it was within 2 to 3 days.
Yeah, it was 2 to 3 days. They accommodated my request, and I was surprised that it can be done within 2 to 3 days. And since I have an experience of the the conventional one and the new one, I can tell you the new one any day is far better, because it is hassle free and it saves your time. And especially for professional people, you cannot really afford to take so much of leave, and so much of physical pain also is there, because if there is a cut in your body, once the anesthesia's impact is over, then the pain starts coming back. You really cannot go back to office. So that is actually not there. So thank you once again to both of you for helping me out.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thanks.